Hey everyone, we're Sean and Heather, and today we're making my all-time favorite pasta salad, Dill Pickle Pasta Salad. This dish is perfect for potlucks and picnics, and even better when made ahead of time. Let's get started.
First, cook half a pound of dry pasta according to the package instructions. Now for the secret ingredient, pickle juice. Add half a cup of pickle juice to the bowl. This gives our pasta salad that tangy pickle flavor we all love. After it sits for about 10 minutes, go ahead and drain the pickle juice. While the pasta is cooking, let's go ahead and do some of our other prep. Slice 3/4 cup of pickles and shred 2/3 cup of cheddar cheese. To make our dressing, we're going to combine 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of pickle juice, and about a tablespoon of dried dill. You can also use fresh dill as well, but we're using dried. Mix all the dressing ingredients together until they are well combined. Then you're going to pour your dressing over your pasta. After you've mixed your dressing with your pasta, add in your pickles and stir it together. As we're taking this to a family reunion, we're not adding our cheese yet, but this would be the time to add your cheese if you were going to serve it immediately. And there you have it, Dill Pickle Pasta Salad. It's a creamy, tangy, and full of flavor, perfect for any gathering.
Try this recipe and let us know what you think in the comments. Before you go, check out our next video on 3 refreshing summer salads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes that are as easy as 1, 2, 3.